Across America's fertile valleys, millions of gala apples grow under warm sunlight. Beginning their journey from orchard tree, farmers carefully prepare rich soil and irrigation systems to create the perfect environment for healthy gala apple trees. American farmers carefully plant grafted apple saplings to grow strong, high-yield orchards for future harvests. Every spring, gala apple orchards burst into beautiful blossoms as bees pollinate thousands of delicate flowers. After pollination, tiny apples begin forming. Throughout the season, orchard workers protect the trees from pests, disease, and harsh weather to ensure premium apple quality. By late summer, gala apples develop their famous red stripes. The U.S. apple industry generates $137 billion in revenue by harvesting apples and making drinks from them. But this success comes with challenges like water scarcity and diseases like apple scab, powdery mildew, and fire blight. Unlike many fruits, gala apples are carefully handpicked to prevent bruising and preserve their fresh, premium quality. Huge transport trucks deliver tons of fresh apples every day to factories that operate around the clock. Before juicing begins, every apple is thoroughly cleaned using powerful washing systems and sanitizing equipment. Advanced scanning systems inspect every apple, removing damaged fruit to guarantee premium juice quality. The cleaned apples are crushed into pomace, releasing sweet juice from deep inside the fruit. Industrial presses apply enormous pressure to extract fresh apple juice to ensure safety and freshness. The juice is pasteurized and carefully tested inside high-tech laboratories. Automated production lines fill, seal, and package thousands of apple juice bottles every single hour. After packaging, the apple juice is shipped across supermarkets and stores around the world. From orchard trees to modern factories, gala apples complete an incredible journey to become the refreshing juice.
If you like this beautiful journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more agriculture journeys.